In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Counter-Strike 2 on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and search for Steam. Open the official Steam website and click Install Steam in the top right corner. Once the Steam installer has finished downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch Steam and sign in to your account. If you don't have a Steam account, create one first. Next, use the search bar in the top right corner and search for Counter-Strike 2. Open the game page, then click Add to Library. After that, go to the Library tab and select Counter-Strike 2 from the list. Click Install, choose the installation location if you want, and then click Install again to begin downloading the game. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once it's complete, the Install button will change to Play. Click Play to launch Counter-Strike 2 and start playing. And that's how you can download and install Counter-Strike 2 on your PC or laptop.